Finally. Hello everybody. Welcome aboard the Skybox. I'm Riley. I take you on a little journey around my locale teardown services. We're just gonna move some things out of the way here first. Oh, sorry about that. Tiny door. Alright. What do we have here? Fire extinguisher, spray can. Turn on the power. Okay, well, guess we'll just head outside. Fuck. This house is built a little stronger than I thought it'd be. Let me change something real quick. If you don't know what we're playing Teardown. I think you will like this game. I'm gonna just try and take this as more of a... There's built-in mouse acceleration, that's a problem. But I think you'll like this game because it's everything we kind of like in a video game, and by we I mean me. I get to just play with Legos basically in this fully destructible world. Should be very fun. What do you... No. Okay. Looks like somebody sent an email. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Oh, okay. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything, be creative. Just came in. Sounds kind of fishy. We need money. Are you up for it? This wasn't a mission? Oh, this is just an email. Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager of Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with the old building that's blocking our plans to a new wing. I need some help. I need someone to knock it over. Well, you've come to the right place, Mr. Wu. Wow, the mouse acceleration is very annoying. It is quite annoying. Hope they fix that. Looks like we're here. Ah, I know this place. There we go. 6.3 meters too tall. Alright, so we gotta bring this place down. Is it an innie? Oh, it's just like a rusted door or something. So this is abandoned. It's quite abandoned. Alright. Now we're getting somewheres. Wow. Oh. That's loud. Oh. I like it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take out all the support. Oh, but it has a chimney. That's one good ass chimney, I'm not gonna lie. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna break it out from the chimney. This is actually quite satisfying. Oh, what? I have to take out the chimney too? Looks like we're gonna need some more explosives then. Ooh. Get out of my way. Yeet. Did that even hurt the oh, it did. Okay, perfect. Let me give one of these vehicles a drive. Let me turn this game down just a tiny bit. It is a loud game. Oh, yes. This feels right. This is what I envisioned when I heard Teardown was a game. Fucking bricks being all tough and shit. Fucked nerds. I want to get destroyed. This is how it's done. There we go. 3 meters too tall. I'm gonna show you 3 meters too tall, bro. I'm gonna show you 3 meters too tall. Yeah. Still too tall? Just gonna cut the shit out of this building until it falls all the way down. Oh. 0.9 meters too tall. I wanna show this chimney what's up. Show this chimney who's boss. Fuck up this chimney. Oh, fuck that chimney. Alright, get to the escape vehicle. What if I don't want to, though? What if I want to explore? Ooh. Ha! Stole the computer, let's go. Oh, I can't. Snap. I had all these other explosives I could have been using. Didn't use. LTS, let's get out. That was successful. Continue. Ah. Now, time to work. That actually hurt a lot less than I thought it would. New investigation? Must have caught you on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. Should email you directly. Just so you know, I don't usually do this. Investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion. Borrow the computers. Alright. Sure, why not? I love me a good computer. Ah. Oh, what a beautiful place. It looks like we have 2 things we have to get. Computer at the desk, computer at the office. Should be no problem. Let me just take a little drive. There we go, that'll do. Okay. I have other things too. It's Phineas from Phineas and Ferb. Do you recognize him? And I got some valuables. Oh, that looks so nice. Those oh my god, this game. Like, I don't know how this is running on my computer right now. Just gonna be honest. So, I had to grab that one. And one over here, right? Just gotta grab them. Yeah. Get robbed, losers. Oh, it's like rusted metal, so I can break it out. Can I crouch jump? I can just hold jump. Aha. I think I painted the message. Alright. And now, I leave. It just looks so cool. I like the paint tool. Paint that whole thing yellow if I wanted to. Can I break this? No. Alright, let's get out. Oh wait. I missed one. Where could that possibly be? Oh, I can zoom out. Needs to be one over here. Oh. Just right here, isn't it? Yeah. Here. There we go. Now how do we get in? Guess a little something like that. I'll just do a little here. Get out of my way. Here. Ah. Valuables. Maybe I should be looking for valuables. As well as whatever I'm doing right now. Here. What was the actual way to get up here? Oh. It's locked anyways. There's no staircase. Fell over. Lots of world building in this little place. Oh, I think you could hide that from me. Get out of my way. I can drive this? There we go. And now we escape. Oh, also, if it's possible. No, that's gonna be too big. What about this? Here. No. What about this? Oh, I'm just gonna leave. We can deal with that kind of stuff later. Fuck your trees. What a peaceful life this is. Door to door, ruiner. Da 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 da. Sucks. I like that the thing is actually up to date too. Like, it shows the news from what I'm doing. It's very interesting. Alright, something back in Lee Chemicals. Oh, I can drag and zoom. Okay, so opposite corners in a way. I see what they did here. Well, gonna need to find another way over this fence. Smart little cookies there. But I have an idea. I'm just gonna... This is a very fast car. A lot of torque to it. There we go. Now, where were we headed? Yes. This building just right here, actually. Should be good. It's locked. Of course it is. Gonna have to improvise a little bit. It's not locked anymore. It's a calming place compared to the outside. We're gonna use these later. They're all set up with alarms now. I'm sure I could jump that. Whoops. Sure I could jump that. Easily. These are all going to be with alarms. I do know this much about the game, that you're on a timer once those alarms go off. So then ideally we just go whoop over to here, and then whoop over to here. Just make this as open and accessible as possible. That'll do. Let's just get all this garbage out of the way. Nobody needs all this stuff. Oh, whoops. Broke a light. Nobody needs it. I put a hole in the wall just from throwing this stuff. Is that what happened? It is. That is really cool. The amount of stuff you can do in this game is actually insane. I feel like I don't even have time to take it in because I'm like, I want to do these missions. But later in these episodes we'll explore a little bit more as we play. And this should be fine. Now, the next place we actually want to go is probably onto this house and across. The only problem with that is it's on a higher level. So that may not be possible. We may have to use this though. Gonna keep throwing things at this wall until the hole is bigger. No, it's not gonna work. And then we're gonna kind of go across and jump out that way, and then we want to go across. There's the last one, and we can come up the same way we came. I feel like there's no problem with that. So, just get rid of all this glass garbage, and then we take that, we go out this way. as I clear a path. Their van is just around the corner. So, gonna give you a little outline of how this is gonna go. We're gonna start just over here. By just, I mean all the way over here. That's the light still on. Go up these stairs. Oh my gosh, this room, every time I come into this room, it's very enjoyable. So we're gonna come from here all the way up. Down here. Across this roof. Across to this one. Don't worry about that window. We're gonna drop down. Probably don't even need to jump there. I'm gonna hit up this one and then we're gonna go across. Oh, see, I didn't want to fall. That was what I was worried about. Let's see if I can get up using my epic parkour skills. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Looks like I can. Just barely. Alright, where were we? Forgot not to jump there. And then we're gonna go around here. And ooh, didn't know I could grab this thing. All the way across this pipe. Into here. Around here. Grab this. Bring it back. Oh, I didn't think this one through. Good thing I checked it. I can just jump on the railing. No reason why not. So make sure that's clear then. Boop, boop, boop. Up and out. Alrighty. Should be no problem there. Let's just head back the way we came. And here. Ah, I just barely made that jump. Alrighty. And now let's give it a go. Oh, quick save. Thank you for telling me that. Now I know there's a quick save system. Much more intense now that there's a timer. We're making good time. And we're out. Took a little bit longer on the setup than I would have wanted, but 32 seconds is okay. Alrighty, we're back. I reached a new rank. It looks like I got something new. A blowtorch. I could probably do a lot with this. Ah, fire. Fire could be very helpful actually. Tools. This is also looks important. I can upgrade this and give it more fuel. I might just save my money. This sounds like it's getting, yeah, it's getting much more intense. Let's test this fire extinguisher out. Smothered the flames. Oh, nice, that looks really cool. Alright. This is insane. I'm playing this right now. I'm playing this. This is an actual video game. Just thought I'd tell you guys. New place, West Point Marina. Or Marina? I think it's Marina. I think this will be the last one. But hopefully the best. What a whip. Look how low it is to the ground. How are these square wheels working so good? Also didn't realize there was a vehicle condition. So it looks like we have to have this office space, and then we have the warehouse safe as well. And we're making room for Gordon's new yacht by getting rid of some stuff. Putting in some work. Cars feel really good in this game. Alrighty. Too tall? I think I already know how to deal with this. Yeah. Ooh, that was weird. I did not expect that to... Oh, we're floating. Oh, it's like a raft. That's really cool. And then we want to get rid of the stilts, yes? Easy. Oh. Dangerous. Very dangerous. Get rid of this deck bit. Other than that, she's sunk. 0 point. There we go. That house is now gone. I didn't even look inside. What about this one? See what they would have looked like on the inside. Oh, this is so cozy and nice. This is unbelievably cozy. What? There we go. Everything's so dynamic. It's like nothing hard-coded into this game. It's really nice. Let's take our whip. Oh, this thing has handbrake and I don't even need to use the handbrake. It handles like a real vehicle, which I really enjoy. That's how you enter houses. Oh, metal frame. Oh. Decorative item. Maybe we should be looking through these things. Because there could be some really valuable stuff in here. Whoops. Sorry. Oh, a safe. How do we get this out of the house? I could put a hole in the wall, but I think I'm actually going to put a hole in the floor instead. And then just yeet. Oh. Alrighty. What is making all these plop sounds in the water? Actually, where is the water? Maybe I should be taking it back, actually. Honestly, I thought this safe would weigh more. A little disappointed. This'll do. Oh, frick. This is not gonna work. Gonna have to go around. Get the fuck out. Now we're gonna go do the optional one because why not? I'm assuming this one's faster. Oh no, this one looks like it's got a little motor. Oh, that one has 2 though. Right? Those are 2 no, those are ladders. This one looks faster though. It's bigger. It's gotta be faster. That's my logic. It's bigger, it's faster. Goodbye, boat. That feels really good. It's really satisfying. It's also a little slow to process all this stuff, but I don't think that's a bad thing. What are we here for? A large safe as well. This place looks so cool. Alright. This is what we're gonna do. Oh, I got quite an arm on me. Hopefully you don't want to break the floor too much. Just so we can get some this stuff out of the way. And wow, I am quite strong. All right. Maybe I can get the things out of that box. Make it a little bit easier. So much knickknacks in here. Oh, that's actually a part of the shipping container itself. So, is there a way to move the shipping container? There technically is, but I feel like that would be harder. So, we gotta keep going for this. Have a backup if it doesn't work. Okay, backup time. This is clearly not going as expected. There we go. Oh, we can actually go past that point. Hopefully the safe can. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. And, just a little slow. Sometimes I don't realize the fault of my mistakes. Instead of going backwards, I'm just gonna go forwards. Get this stupid boat out of the way. Oh, valuable. And I'm gonna come up like that. Up like this. Yeah. Grab the safe. And we're gonna take it like this. This is what's gonna have to happen. That looks like it works. Perfect. And sunk. Beautiful. How does one get out? That'll do. And then we just head back, which is back over there. Why don't we take the car? Never mind, it's a broken car. We will just take the long way then. Oh, that's a boat dock with no boats in it. And there's the exit. Hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.